All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Today, we're doing an unboxing of the April Dark Horse Tackle box. So, let's, where did my little logo go on DHT? We need that, right? Where are you? Where are you? All right, well, you can see it on the bottom. To get 10% off on this box, bam, there it goes. And there it is. Boo, boo, boo. Just use Rufino Pro 10. So I have not opened this box yet at all. So, first time. All right. First things first, we got a Happy Easter card. An Easter card. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things in here, actually, which is quite a bit. And if you have a dabble pack, you'll get a couple things. So, let's go with what's on top here, whatever that is. It is a hard bait. So, and this is made, it's got a sticker, really nice, by Bobby Wasabi. You can't see it because it's green. So Bobby Wasabi is a wake bait. I love wake baits. I make lots of these. All right, it's a very dark, so this is great for stained water. So this is black with sort of a magenta up on top with pink eyes. So very cool wake bait. Looks like a circuit board lip to it. Really good. This is, let's see. I got my microphone dead in front of me. But we're going to use the scale because it doesn't say anything on here how much it weighs. So we're going to weigh it. My guess is 1/3 of an ounce. So, well, I was wrong. It's a 1/2 ounce. It's a 1/2 ounce wake bait. So, very cool. Great for stained waters. Usually you go dark baits with dark water. Pretty simple, huh? All right, let's see what we got here. We've got Martin's. We've got 2 Martin's underspin jigs. 2 Martin's underspin jigs, 1/4 ounce. Martin's makes a really nice spin. They even usually stamp their spinners, but they didn't in this case. They're silver with eyes on them. So very nice. Hard for you guys to see that, but very nice underspin. They use a ball. Oh, get that. A ball bearing mechanism on it, which is really nice. Stainless steel. So you got 1/4 ounce, and you have a 3/8 ounce in an underspin. They're also giving me a 3/8 ounce white or shad weedless jig. So it's also from Martin's too. So again, a very, very nice jig. Love jigs because come into the bedding season, which is going to happen pretty soon. Whenever that happens, snowing outside. It's a foot of snow on the ground. So it's not going to happen soon here. So what do we got here? So the wake bait is estimated value of $12. All right. Now the Martin's baits, the underspins are $10 for the 2, so $5 each, and $5.50 for the swim jig. So right now we're at, what are we at? $10, $15, $27, $28 right now. So the box is $25 plus $5 shipping, so $30. So right now we're almost at break even. So this is a Bitters, very nice swim bait. I love swim baits. Soft plastic. great for those jigs. It's a green pumpkin clear, so very nice. They call it watermelon red pearl, so very nice swim bait. It's got a hook through right there, a little pocket for the hook to come through. Very nice. It's a pack of 6. This is $4 for this. So right now we're over the value of the box. We've just surpassed the value of the box, what I paid for it. And now, last but not least, is called the secret Hogzilla. Hogzilla. The Hogzilla. Let's see how much. Is a little over $5. $5.50. So this is like getting these for free with this box. So really nice, big tails on them. Look at that. It's a green it's a green pumpkin. I call it green pumpkin, Hogzilla. But nice, big, long tails to them, which is great. I like the fact that, they're ribbed right here, which gives it more motion, but it also allows you to cut them off, and trim it to the size that your jig is. So you get, this is the Hogzilla, and there are 6 of these in this pack. My senses of smell are not, it smells like a little like garlic, but not real strong. So I did not check the Ritters. So the total value of this box is about $37, and you paid $30 with shipping. If you use the code Ruffino Pro 10 below, you get 10% off. No, that doesn't have a cent. So, and it's called the Little Swimmer Watermelon Red Pearl. It's red in there. Oh, there is sort of a translucent red to it. Kind of cool. So that's a pretty good box, guys. I mean, that's a good box. I mean, I love craws. I love swim baits. Super love the wake baits, because I paint them all the time because they work. And I have 2 underspins, which is fantastic, a 1/4 ounce, or actually, 1/4 ounce, 1/3 ounce, and a 3/8 ounce weedless jig, which is fantastic because most of the water that I fish in is clear. So, I mean, it's a spring-fed lake that is just very, very clear. I did get a sticker, which is, I love stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? We were raised loving stickers. So, if you got the dabble pack, you would get the underspin, one of those underspins, and the little swimmer, the plastic swim bait. That's what you would have got in that, which would have given you about $9. So about the price, little over the price of a dabble pack. So thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. I haven't figured out a giveaway for this month yet, but I will. Be patient. I will be going dark this week because this whole down here in the basement is going to be removed, basically, of asbestos. I have asbestos down here. And then we got to reinsert all the deducting and blah, 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 all that fun stuff. What a week. All right. So thank you very much for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe below. Check out Dark Horse Tackle, please. And use this code right down here. Boop, boop, boop. Right down here. And use it for 10% off. These are all American-made baits. Usually very small companies typically. I mean, this is the wake bait is a hand-painted bait by Bobby Wasabi. It's a hand-painted bait. I mean, just like I paint them, Bobby is painting this for me. And that in itself is a very, very nice thing to have in your tackle box because each one is unique and you're going to throw it and the bass have never seen it. And really, that's what we're shooting for, aren't we? Giving them something that they will bite that they've never seen and get those bites on. So thank you very much, and we will see you guys out on the water. as soon as it stops snowing.